Hello, I'm Ben, Future Screener. Today I'm going to be sharing our research on market microstructure and pattern detection in NASDAQ and ES futures markets, as well as presenting a fully automatic trading algo the team has developed utilizing optical character recognition and advanced screen analysis to simplify trading decisions. A little bit about us: we're a data research company specialized in order flow HDF algos and quantitative analysis on edges involving short-term volatility impulses, delta swings, and market imbalances. Over the past year and a half, we've developed a trading interface that automatically collects order flow data and then parses that data into several categories that detects prudent patterns with a win rate from 65% to 92%. So our research methodology is that we want at least a year of ES and NASDAQ order flow market data, so we can then parse that data into nearly 1.6 million data points and then derive factors like delta patterns, delta divergence patterns, pullback patterns, as well as adding filters like imbalance volume, volatility, and time differences to get the best win rates out of our patterns. We collected all data, we tested for profit levels at 30 ticks, 60 ticks, 90 ticks, and 120 ticks. For each pattern, the average mean win rate hovered around 48% to 52%. After filtering win rates below 65, we found 25 patterns that had historically proven success rates and a visible edge that can be basically applied to any market condition. What brought our team into developing an OCR-based trading algo is that we wanted our user to have all the information completely ready and there to be full transparency in how each trade is formed and each pattern is detected. Everyone that uses this algo should be getting the same trades no matter what. So once you're ready to start trading, you load up OCR Plus and you hit start recording. If it's extremely buying bias day or extremely selling bias day, you can either filter out buying trades or filter out selling trades based on your discretion. Top, it shows which trading direction you're in, and also when a trade is detected, it will say send pattern with the trade direction that you're placing into. The bottom will show index, which is the number of candles that occurred since you started trading, time, which is the time of the day of the next candle, bid numbers, ask numbers, dominant color, which is either buying or selling of the candle, delta, is the overall strength of each candle, delta divergence, which means if it's a buying candle and there's selling delta, that will be flagged. If there's selling candle and there's buying delta, that will also be flagged. Categories are volatility categories, which ranges from low volatility, high volatility, and very high volatility. And finally, the time of day that each candle formed. Each detail of these categories will be constantly looked at and checked, and if any patterns occur, it will be flagged at the top. The majority of our patterns are built on sophisticated models that utilize the sequence of buying and selling activities underpinned by the analysis of delta imbalance values. To give an example of some of our patterns, 2 over 70 plus win rate patterns is 4 buying consecutive patterns in a row in high volatility conditions with increasing delta values, and also 4 consecutive selling patterns in high volatility conditions with decreasing delta. Both are robust directional momentum and indicative of sustained market trends. These consist of mixed trends like buying, selling, buying with significant delta imbalances throughout, which set potential trend reversals or continuations, providing critical entry and exit points for trades. These patterns are meticulously crafted to exploit market inefficiencies, offering profit targets of 30, 60, and 80 ticks, therefore enabling traders to capitalize on short to medium-term market movements. The detection algorithm integrates various market conditions, including temporal gaps between trades, volatility categories, the session timings, ensuring that identified patterns are contextually relevant and actionable. By leveraging the interplay of order flow dynamics, delta divergences, volatility fluctuations, these advanced patterns offer a predictable edge, enabling traders to anticipate and react to market movements with greater precision. This strategic approach not only enhances the predictability of price actions, but also maximizes profitability by aligning trading decisions with the underlying market movement. Consequently, these patterns serve as powerful tools in traders' arsenal, enabling a more nuanced and sophisticated engagement with NASDAQ and ES markets. Our advanced filtering method not only systematically analyzes market data across different time brackets and pattern formations to enhance trading accuracy, but also isolates patterns and evaluates their performance in various time frames, which can identify the most reliable signals. This precise filtering ensures that the only most promising trades are executed, significantly reducing noise and false signals. Through this optimization process, we have developed a highly efficient trading strategy that leverages historical data to achieve superior win rates. So why is this product good for retail traders? It is very easy to use, it is fully automatic, and everything you see on your screen is exactly presented the way it is. Every position you put into is openly visible on the OCR Plus win. So I'm gonna walk you guys through yesterday's trading day and how OCR Plus reacted to market conditions. Start off market open. We are in extreme high volatility conditions with 30 range NQ bars closing within seconds. During all this noise, OCR Plus waited for a pattern, recording all the data. Eventually, pattern 28 and 34 was flagged on the same candle, which is a consolidation formation of 4 plus buying, selling, with a delta divergence on the final candle. This pattern has a historical 72% win rate, making the chances of a 20-point move relatively high. Eventually, our position hits TP with a nice $400 profit. On to the next trade 3 minutes later, pattern 54 is flagged, another pullback pattern with a 66 historical win rate. Unfortunately, this trade does not work out. At the end of the day, we're just playing the game probabilities, and we're not going to win every trade. shortly after, 2 minutes later, we fall into another position, pattern 2, which is a strong to weak volume formation of 2 selling candles during high volatility and large volume falling into buying candle with extreme weak volume. And imbalances, signaling passive buyers are getting strength of active sellers. Pattern is a historical win rate of 69% and with an 80 tick take profit. During the next 6 minutes, a number of patterns were flagged. Total pattern 46, which is another buying pattern with a 74% win rate, indicating strong buying delta after a strong selling move. OCR Plus not only takes into account the recent price action, but every single data point the second you turn on the algo, allowing for rapid changes in market bias. To continue with the momentum, quickly after pattern 23 is flagged, which is another buying pattern, quickly moving to TP. Out of their time of day, OCR Plus works at all times. Each pattern is recognized and executed depending on the market conditions. Main goal is just to make trading much easier for you guys and much more understandable with our data screens. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section, and hope you have a good trading day.